Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce DKNY's black crystal bangle watch item prepared by MovinsEdition. The famous DKNY New York, which I own only one, is used product. DKNY New York product introduced by MovinsEdition is a rare product for women. It's the front of the clock. It's a product that stands out with circular black crystals. Is black the truth? I think everyone likes any item in black. With the DKNY signature on the back of the clock, the pearl-like band part. Can you see the black crystal cutting? That's great. It looks like a watch for those who like crystal items. I think DKNY uses the same signature for all products, including watches. That's how confident you are with the product. There's no need for explanation. DKNY black crystals look just pretty. DKNY watch products are popular among men and women. There's a reason why he's so popular. Above all, it's a rare product from Black Crystal's collection that's hard to find in home and abroad. And if you buy it, you can get it at a lower price than the new product.